What's happening, boys? We are back again. I hope we are doing all good. And as you guys may be asking, why is there a whole bunch of choppy price action on my screen? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we actually caught this equal high trade on US30. It was a 15-minute equal high. And let me quickly go over this. I literally posted this in my mentor's Discord right here, if you guys can see. I said 15-minute equal highs, and then I posted this. I entered right here. Okay, so listen to this. I entered right here, so keep that in mind. So, if we go over here, let me find it really quick. Here it is. So let me just draw what my thought process was. So we have this, and then we have this as well. Alright, so, and we also had a level. So we had a level something like this, and our equal highs were right here. We had an equal high there, and it was matched to this high as well. Okay, so price comes, breaks this level with a BPR, it's actually 3 fair value gaps crossing over each other. It inverses that, comes into it, and rejects out of it. As soon as it rejects out of it, I enter. Right? I enter here. Stop loss underneath this low. And take profit was right here. A little bit past that. Right? Something like that. I actually top ticked it. So I wanted to enter the trade right here. I pressed enter. Okay? Now listen, look at this. So if we go here on our broker, it says, let me show you guys. Okay, it says we entered right here at 26, 526. Let me show you guys where 526 is. 526. I wanted to enter here, it entered me here. So I was trying to enter $400 in this trade, and then it made me enter $600. So, and I was only going to win 250. So I had a fucking terrible fill. I got scammed with the fills so hard. But that's not all, boys. That's not all. Trade comes down, and I'm like, oh fuck, I'm in so much drawdown. I literally entered the trade, and I was immediately in like $200 drawdown. Then we come all the way up. I stick it out. We come all the way back up and hit take profit. I take out of the trade. I'm not even joking. I will show you guys on the 1 minute time frame. Look at this shit. Right here, the time is 3:11. At the bottom of the screen, you guys can see the time is 3:11. Let me pull this up real quick. It says I exited this at 15:11. That is 3:11. Look how much I made on this trade. minus $33. It was supposed to be a $400 trade. I got scammed on the fills, and it ended up being a fucking minus $33 trade. Because it says I took out at 3:11, but the filled price is 26 that I took out, apparently. 26 is right here on the screen line. Is at 3:11, is the time 3:11 candle is nowhere near down here. So I searched it up, I did some research, and apparently in ChatGPT told me that it's actually not to do with liquidity. It is like a glitch in the system. It doesn't happen much at all, but an actual big glitch in the system. So I literally got fucked by the market, which is hilarious. It's hilarious. It's literally so hilarious to me. I did write it down as a win because it was basically a fucking win, but I lost money from that. So Ratchet, I don't know if I can like contact my prop firm and they will, sort it out or anything. I bet you they fucking won't. But it is what it is, boys. At the end of the day, I learned something from this, and the market was moving very, very slow, but I do not think that was the problem. Maybe that was the problem with the fill, but it should not have been the problem with the exit, because it was showing me that I was literally up $250, so it is what it is, boys. Can't really do much about it, but still a very nice win. As you guys can see, it's an equal high strategy setup, so all I needed for was some sort of confluence, kind of use SMC and my level strategy all in one, which I did. I used a BPR, the triple BPR, and I always use a level, a break of a level, a retrace into the BPRs, and then a rejection out of it, going for the take profit up here, which I absolutely top ticked it, and then stop loss under here. And I actually did get on video, so I'll quickly show you guys this really quick, and I did shout it out on the Discord as well. I literally said, watch out for these 15-minute equal highs. I said I'm getting into the trade there, and then it absolutely got fucking smashed. So if you guys saw that and you decided to fucking, get in there, then you're welcome. But yeah, so I'll go to the start of this video. Before I got in, I entered right there. Look, I was immediately $179 drawdown, and then I was like, oh shit, should I take out the trade? I was like, nah, I'll stick it out. It's a high probability trade. Smash the take profit. Look, you guys can probably hear it.
Obviously, when I put an order in, there's not going to be someone. A little bit more.
Let's see.
See if we get that last push. Bang! Take profit smash, boys.
And I took out right there. Right there. I took out right there. Right there, boys. And I got scammed. So that's all the video it really is. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope the screen wasn't too small to watch. But yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. So, but hey, we are up 2 wins on the day. Even though I did not get paid from this, a win is still a win. We are coming back from our strong losing streak. We are back, boys. We're on a 4-win streak at the moment, so not too bad. Just the start of something brand new. I'm not too worried about the win streaks. It's just fun to calculate. I actually haven't chucked this in. Well, I have chucked it in, but here we go, and another W. Here we are. So yeah, we caught a win this morning. If you guys have not checked that recap, go check that recap out right now. It was a nice New York win on long on New York session on fucking Nasdaq, bro. I'm like brain dead right now. Trying a new routine out, boys. So gonna go hit the gym soon. But yeah, that's really it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.